Hello friends, today we will learn about equals and hashcode method. For that I have created one example. I have created two classes. One is the employee and another is demo. So in demo class there is a main methods and we are creating two employee class object, employee 1 and employee 2 with the same ID 1. And I have to put this object into the map and I have to print the size of this map. Let's think about what is the size of this map. And another, I have created two object of integer class and I have to put these two object into the map and I have to print the size of this map, and you have to think about it, what is the size of this map. So let's run the program and you see what is the size of both map. See here, for map 1 I have size 2 and map 2 I have size 1. So you have to think why this map 1 have size 2 and map 2 have size 1. Let's understand why this happen. See, for that we have to understand first of all equals and hashcode method contract. If any objects have same hashcode, after that it's check the content of this object. Let's see, here I have printed hashcode of both objects. See, employee 1 dot hashcode and employee 2 dot hashcode. See here, I have already printed both hashcode. See, both are different, but content is same. So we can't say this object is duplicate. But in this integer object, see, both have same hashcode and content is same. So we can say this object is duplicate, so it's rejected from map. Why this happen? Because of in integer class there is already override hashcode and equals methods. See, I have open integer class, it's already override equals and hashcode method. That's why this reject the duplicate object. So for the same map size, what I have to do, for the same map size I have to override equals and hashcode method into employee class. So let's override the equals and hashcode method, and after that we run the program and see the output. So I override the equals and hashcode method. Let's run the program and see the output. See, after overriding equals and hashcode method, our hashcode of both object is same. See, here is the hashcode of both object is same and size is also same. So this is the reason why size is differ. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.